Welcome to OBD Sync. In today's episode, we're going to be going through doing a thing change and also an aux on the Holden Mylink radio. So first off, click on the Go to Vehicle icon and go to the Mylink radio tile. We'll wait for this to load in. If you haven't licensed the module, it will pop up as we'll see here. Go ahead and click the OK button to proceed. It will then bring up our available flashing options once loaded in. Click on the flashing tab along the top, and then the configurable options, and then we can go over to the logo and theme drop down and select the Holden Mylink red, and also turn the aux input to on. Once you've got a battery maintainer on and ready to go, click right. This will then begin the flashing procedure. It will download the files, prepare the vehicle, and start flashing those changes to the Mylink radio. This process is still pretty quick. As we can see here, we'll finish within the next few seconds. Once done, we'll be prompted with a box to do an ignition cycle and clear faults. We'll just wait now before doing that after the radio boots up, which can take a few moments longer. You can see here the screen flickering, and then we'll see the actual Holden logo boot up as we see here with the red theme. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.